My name Muizzuddin Muhammad Noor. Today I will going to present regarding project management system. To answer question 3, to answer question 3, communication management is a project is a crucial as it is effective in order to manage within the project life cycle and also to manage the expectation requirement of the stakeholder involved in a project. The video presentation should answer the following question. Define effective project communication in the context of project management body of knowledge area. Second, discuss the issues and challenges related to communication in project which can cause delay in the project completion. 3. Discuss the best approach of communication channel the project managers can adopt in order to achieve the project objective. Good communication support team member and give the team a sense of purpose. Putting a well communication process help to clarify the objective, roles and responsibilities. Effective project communication ensure the right information gets to the right person at the right time in a cost-effective manner. Communication that is effective consists of 1. An exchange of information. 2. A verbal of or written message. 3. An act of instance of transmitting information. 4. A technique for expressing idea effectively. 5. A process by which meaning are exchanged between individuals through a common system of symbols. With this, it decreases the likelihood of misunderstanding and conflict. Executive and project manager around the world agree that poor communications contribute to project failure. The Forbes Insights 2010 Strategic Initiatives study found that 9 out of 10 CEOs believe that communication is critical to the success of their strategic initiative, and nearly half of respondents cite communication as an integral and active component of their strategic planning and execution process. Example on the several study findings. Company risk 135 million for every 1 million spent on a project, and new research indicate that 75 million of that 135 million, about 56%, is put at risk by ineffective communications, indicating a critical need for organization to address communication deficiencies at the enterprise level. Ineffective communication is the primary contributor to project failure on the third of the time and had a negative impact on project success more than half the time. 3. The high performing organization, those completing an average of 80% or more of project on time, on budget and within goals. Create formal communication plan for nearly twice as many projects as their lower performing counterpart, which is complete few than 60% of project on time, on budget and within goals. The following recommended strategy project manager or owners should consider to improve their project communication programs. 1. Close the communication gap around business benefits. 2. Tailor communication to different stakeholder groups. 3. Acknowledge the value of project management, including project management communication. Use standardized project communication practice and use them effectively. Example of communication issue in a supply products number had. Supplier stop the machining activity and issue query to supply chain due to discrepancy in the contractual drawing. Supply chain issue in the system and pass to project engineer to request clarification and way forward from the design team. The assessment still has not been completed by design team. However, packing activity is already planned. There is issue with the equipment and the part will not be ready on the scheduled date. However, the information has not been cascaded properly to the planning team that caused confusion to all. Lesson learned from this: poor and ineffective communication will cause stoppage of work or delay of projects. For channel of communication, it is worth breaking it into 3 distinct channels. The first channel is communication is an upward. Project manager communicates with senior managers. The key element of communication include issues, risks and expectation of the project. Effective method of communication might include weekly status report, emails, face-to-face meeting or structured communication plans. Let related with Asaflag product, project engineer has responsibility to the management team within Asaflag together with the business unit. He or she has to provide weekly feedback about the progress on the project to the management team. In addition, project engineer needs to keep management team informed of any unexpected challenge or any problem that may arise. The second communication channel is lateral. Project engineers communicate with clients, suppliers, vendors, and contractors. Common elements discussed include resource needs, progress updates, budget, and schedule issues. It is done through meetings, phone calls, and emails. With a supply product, project engineers communicate with the business unit who is the client and also session with the suppliers such as raw material and fitting, equipment and standard part supply that supply for the project. This lateral communication is a form for collaboration between all stakeholders. Third channel of communication is directly with the project team member. This channel provides direction to the team, highlights pending tasks, confirm delivery dates, and schedule team meeting. It is available to have routine meeting with the team and keep up to date with regular verbal and email action to keep everyone on track. Project engineer in a supply product have the meeting with all the related parties of a related department to keep on track with the project status progress. If any issue, project engineers call for the crisis meeting to get feedback from all team members and discuss on the way forward. Communication directly affect project performance. So if we want a high performance team working on project, it is required to have effective communication strategy to ensure we get the result we require. To conclude, for this presentation, communication, project communication is important. Thank you.